In front of me, I have a report and all the info in it I copied from Wikipedia. And what I want to do now is turn the Word doc into a PowerPoint presentation. At the top left, we see that auto-saving is enabled, and that is also important. The document must be saved in Teams, OneDrive, or SharePoint, and also linked to the account where your Copilot license is connected. If that is not the case yet, then you need to click on File, and then Get Up As, and then you can get up in the account that is linked to Copilot. And then you can also select, how does that selection work? There are two options. First of all, I'm going back to PowerPoint. And then I choose Copilot in the top right corner. At the moment, it only works in English, but Dutch will be available soon, so you might be able to use that in the meantime. And then you can click here on Create Presentation from a file. What you can also do is use the slash, and in that way you can already select a document. And then give an assignment. I'm just going to click the button now. And then I see documents here that I recently opened. But my pizza report isn't there yet, so we'll do it in a different manner. We're going back to the Word document for that purpose. Then click Share in top right corner. In other words, in Dutch, then also copy link. Well, then I'll go back to Copilot in PowerPoint, and then I write down Create a Presentation from this file. And then I click on the arrow. And also know, if you have existing templates within your company, you can also initially load a template. And then he just uses that template. Now I haven't done that, so it will just get some kind of default formatting. Here we already see an outline, that or an explanation in Dutch. I think this is going well as I browse through it. And then about the pictures. They are partly taken from the report, but Copilot also adds images itself, so keep an eye on that. Well, this looks really great, I must say. Even when I looked in the Word document, it was very chaotic, but now it has just become a really tight presentation. 19 slides. Well, I think you can tell something about that. And then we also see that speaker notes have been created. So if you click on Notes or Notities, you will also see a sentence or sometimes a paragraph. And also the original text he used from the report is below. So that is also very nice to use for your presentation. If you want to add more slides, you can do that too. Then you type in Copilot, add a slide about, let's say, Pizza Hawaii. Well, that's great, isn't it? In this case, I think it was just taken from the internet and not from the report, because we don't see any more original content. Well, that's nice. A speaker's note. I will make it a bit bigger. It has a nice picture, and I believe the text that accompanies it is also correct. Keep a close eye on it, especially if you'll get info from the internet. It's not always accurate. If you're happy with this vid, you'd really help me by clicking on that sub button. Then you'll also stay informed about this kind of new info about Copilot and other AI apps. This was a vid from TimeToGuide. I'm Timon, and now it's time to go.